So there's this weird tomato thing that I have here, and I just wanted to like kind of dissect it, I guess, see what's going on the inside here, and then also make a video about it because I don't have any content planned. So yeah, let me find a knife here real quick. This is 100% not the proper tool for this, but look at that. Oh wow, that looks like art. That looks like art. I'm gonna take a photo of this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with that. So let's keep cutting. Ooh, why does this look so pretty inside? Oh, wow, how unique. I don't think it's like bad or anything because there are such a thing as green tomatoes, so I don't think it's bad. It's very interesting the way that it was formed. I think I'm gonna give this as an offering though. So I just think it's too pretty for me to consume it. So I think I'll give this as an offering. And I'll just take pictures of this because I just think it's so cool. Oh. But yeah, that's me dissecting whatever this cool looking thing is, and yeah.